Mwachibiem Samuel Badwam TV Badwam so Apostle Dr. NEWTOWN yeda se ni nkwanshen sem de edu so no Badwam kase sam no ne obeti wo mu bi ene me kase de aban no eye school dan na edwiri guye ewo NEWTOWN no se de wo mayi ho no nyina ma kwa da ho no ne nsem bia no pay yede bro Adom TV Badwam kase me de afia amankwa tamaklo afia ni de bi se de sem ni chemu etie Make us say, Abaya Yanshe, ama a year experimental school na walk around NEWTOWN with you go ye. A man, I'm so this be a free mamma be a prano. I call you hold me now, my heart daho, on my saying to me, dear Cotene. The moon some casino, a fossil.
Baby, I'm a Accra NEWTOWN experimental school. At Rencham is see her, Emma, and Yanum be to an animal and Seado, Emma Bimunso a prayer. Aban penifo ahwama womo ede omakoto ayasabi asisi womo eje ayahwe wo hwe machie yi a wo se penifo ahwe ama womo aclear eye abo debris na egu anina sese ha ada ho kane no abra to renchem ni siye no abambofo ehwe ma womo esi akwan awodo a ha na ahyen timi emfa ha enkoma nanso sese ahyen awodo na womo timi ekoba sanse barricade awodo a womo di sisi kwan no womo ejini nina Adom News in Central for ene a driver for be etwetwe nkomo ensema womo de tu dwa no womi entie bi
ane de akwa ne dem ekoba ntino bibia dane kwam ema onam a wotimi ko ema ho timi ha se ne ahon so betimi akon se ne ha pe bia onze NEWTOWN ha nkasa na sometimes no ya na onam from bia ofi circle ba besin akọ kotuba bia na ofa main road a eya na ma obre nti ya yetimi edoje doje fa hanum sie na eze yakwa kosim ho ababa na ho na ase yakosim ho eyo haspark ho but because of we ne buy anything na ma ho no so achoki nti na ezo be dim sa
be kwa na ma ya yetimi ko ba every day na fa main road no na traffic pa na yehu chi yen pa is that the kwa dem ma nti nyame hira mo yeda mase pa
amane boy mi amene bro efri Accra NEWTOWN Medin at the Prince also Esiedo Adom News.
Also, 4 years was share roads and highways. So, Ora governs Kwame Agboja. They are two judges say road project. I would be a next share give us ASEAN na any man should down for years. Entina eho ebe here say wo bo essence. No year and near money ye. Sabe ya umbit me aye wonjuma. Kasiano etwaso.
I am happy to note and announce that the Ministry of Education has received clearance and approval from the Ministry of Finance for the recruitment of teachers across the country.
Say nyasane no me antwaso na yon concern for mo na abai ana so for sure womasua so Haruna Idrisu say ministry no wonya sika nti achacha for be 700 one more babeko school sahudo mo no akochade.
I am happy to note and announce that the Ministry of Education has received clearance and approval from the Ministry of Finance for the recruitment of teachers across the country. We will be recruiting at least 7,000 teachers. 7,000 teachers across the country. So trainee teachers from the 2022 to 2025 should feel easy to apply for this opportunity as we continue to work. At least on or before the 1st of July, the process should be over. They should be accepted.
Owie ni nkasa yemu no ode to dwa se asoya ehwe omanya desuansem so gomie abefo kwan a wo frɛ no GES portal no se ne be ya desuafo yi ebetumi ahye ne mu na dwumadie no ebe hye ase oferiso obosom ne da etosodu.
In respect of the 7,000 teachers, the Director General of the Ghana Education Service, who is ably represented here by his two deputies, Professor Small and Isaku, you are accordingly directed that the GS application portal be made open from Friday the 10th of April 2026. the portal should be open, competitive, transparent process, but with emphasis on those willing to go where government wants them to go.
Ora harina do so amano answer why name so the to about time ni mu nyina animo sa wofo no a woma enyini ni tichiru eye suku mu akra wo class 6 no okotro BC akra wo JHS no okotro SSC no won mu nyan sa de nte sa emra no wo ho ene wo mbedi.
In many instances, we have seen registration of unqualified BEC students. You can imagine somebody in primary 6, Form 1 or Form 2 being encouraged by the parent to write BECA. That is not acceptable under our GES practices, and any student or parent caught will be dealt with decisively. The students must go through the full course of primary school to junior high school 3 before writing BECA. We will strictly enforce the WAEC and GES standards on this matter.
Owie ni nkasa ye mu no osoafo ne do to dwa se asoe ne de nhyehyɛ foforo kra aba emofra wonom ebewie BC nsohwe no enkane na wonom eyi school a wonom pese wokɔ eto honom sei de wobetwen ama won sohwe na aba na abofra bia ahwɛ ne modern mo a woboye so ansana waselati school no wei wobema omu na wotwe baako na wonom e de adi sa adwuma no.
One of the significant improvement to the process, and Director General GES, you are accordingly directed, is that students are to begin the process of making a determination of school choice, but that process is not to be completed until the results are finally announced and determined. So in the past, you had a situation where students determine and choose schools without knowing their aggregate level, and that affected the placement system. This time, we will give a mandatory period of 1 week after the results have been declared for students to confirm on the basis of their performance in the BECA what their first choices are.
Yenye no so na Adom TV Badwam kasia na hana bema kwan na no pay ye de sie mre ne adagye nti ye da se papa